Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about CSS float property. So let me write the HTML form here. I will start by writing its format, and then I will mention the title name. So what is the title name we are going to study? We are going to study about CSS float method. So here on screen I will write that. First let me explain what is it actually. So, in that case, what we need to do, a float property specify whether an element should float to the left, right, or not at all. So it will help you to understand how to do that. Okay. So we will study by that, how to do that. So inside the body, I will mention the codes here. Okay. So we always write the code inside the body. So let me write the element that is h1. Okay. So I will write left. So how can you float to the left? The another form we will write is right. Okay. So these are the two kinds of element I have mentioned. Let me reload this. If the file is working, yeah, this is working now. So we have to create it now. How to create that? Okay. So in that case, what we need to do, I will provide the style. In that case, I have to write for the h1. In that case, all I need to do, I will write the float. If you want to float it to the left, all you need to do, you have to mention it to the left. Okay. Now on screen, what I have written the float is equal to left. Let me reload this. Okay. Now it is in the form of left. No changes because it is already in the left side. And then I will write the h2. The float is equal to right. Okay. Now let me save this file and then we'll run this code again. Now on screen, you can see that it is in the form of right side. So that is how you can create it left to right. So it will help you to do both left or right, or it will not do at all. It will not make any sense. So absolutely position element, ignore the float property. So that absolute position, that is when absolute position is available, so it will not make any sense. Let me write one more form. So here inside the h2, I will provide one text that is another right. Now let me run this. Now on screen you can see that it is also coming on the another right, because I have mentioned in the case of h2, and h2 form is already written that the float should be is in the right side. So these are the kind of methods. Whenever you will mention anything inside the right, inside the same tag, it will work as what you have mentioned inside the title format. Okay, then only it will work in that form. That is why it is coming like that. So float is the use of this. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to CSS. Thank you.